Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. You might have already guessed from the title about today's location. Yes, you are right. In today's video, I'm going to share my experience of visiting the Dubai frame. My name is Aditya and I welcome you all to my channel. Located at the very heart of the city of Dubai, you will have no problems reaching the Dubai frame through the Dubai metro or through RTA buses. This is an architectural landmark and has been described as the biggest picture frame in the world. Standing 492 feet or 150 meters, the cost to make the Dubai frame was 230 million dirhams. The visit to this place is a little emotional for me as this was one of the structures I saw being completed, and also because I visited this place just 2 days before I left Dubai. Giving you a taste of both the old and the new Dubai, the frame acts as a melting point for two dynamic faces of the city. It's enough of me talking now. Let's start with the tour of the place. I hope you enjoy the video. You can buy the tickets online and tickets are also available at the counter. Per ticket costs 50 dirhams and there are different time slots which you can choose from. And for any further information you can check out the website from the description below.
Lifestyle. In the end of the museum, you will find the lift to go up. So please proceed inside and enjoy your time. Welcome. This is the bus zone. Here you will see how the
Yeah, yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome. Good afternoon. Just 1 second please before you go. 48 floors. Left side you can see Old Dubai. Right side New Dubai. Here you can walk on the glass but no jumping or sitting. Enjoy your time and have it.
So guys, I will be honest here and confess that it was a little scary for me to walk on the glass floor for the first time. Not only was all the details down below crystal clear, but also they had animations and lighting going on these floors as you can see. As I mentioned earlier, that this place hosts some of the most amazing sightings of the city. Here you can see the old Dubai, the entire old Dubai to be specific, the Oud Mehta, the Bur Dubai, and the Karama area. Trust me, these are some of the amazing visuals. And as we come over to the other side, we can start enjoying the amazing new Dubai area, the Sheikh Zayed Road, and of course the Burj Khalifa. As we make our way to the ground, this brings us to the end of the video. I love to read your comments, so I will be waiting for them, and I really hope you enjoyed. Making this video made me relive the day and cherish the moments once again. I will leave you guys with a couple of shots of this place. Please take care of yourself. Till next time, goodbye.